everyone, Quentin's here from Davra. So today we're gonna cover how to deploy a web application hosted directly inside the Davra microservice. So to do so, we're gonna go through the following tutorial inside microservice and here deploy a web application, and I'll guide you through the different steps to accomplish this task. So we're gonna work with the following web application here. So this is a standard Vue application. So when you create a new Vue app with a Vue CLI, usually you get to something like this. I just changed the default logo here and the title there. So as you can see, currently this web application is hosted on my local machine on /microservices/Davra web app. Okay. On the other hand, I'm gonna work with this tenant here. So quentin.davra.com, and as you can see here, I created a microservice called Davra-web app. This microservice, I just created it a few minutes ago, so there's nothing like the default microservice, and is reachable via this route at the moment. And if I click on it, it's just a default like Davra.com.microservice message coming up. Okay. So first thing we need to do is open the IDE to get inside this Davra web microservice. So inside the IDE, I think I have it open here. Yep. So as you can see, I only have one build at the moment. We will go through the different files that needs to be changed. So the first one is a index.js, and I'm just gonna copy the code here, as simple as that. Up. And put it down there. Poof. So what you need is use Express.js, and I think Express is already loaded here, so it's fine. And what's going to do is whatever it's inside public will be rendered as web server. So actually in our scenario, because the way I build my web application is not going to be /public, it's going to be dist. So I'm just changing this now, and we want the server to be 8080 default. Nothing's changed here. Okay, now. What's gonna happen if we deploy the code in this case? The microservice will look for a folder called /dist and render what's inside it. So the index.html, the different CSS file, images, etc., etc. So we need to upload our application to the microservice now. So to do so, it's quite simple. So this app actually, as you can see here, is running inside my Visual Studio Code. And what I'll do from there is simply stopping the dev mode and do an npm run build. So I should expect to see here some dist file getting created. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zip the dist file and upload it. So it feels like it finished to create, and I got my file created here. If we look here in my dist, I got my CSS, images, GS, and all the stuff, and here it should be working okay. So we're gonna leave Visual Studio Code up. Davra web app is here. The dist file is here, and I'm just gonna use a compress up. So now I got a dist.zip here, and what I'll do now is inside my IDE, I will simply press the upload button here. I'll select the right folder, so GitHub, microservice sample, Davra web app, this zip file, open. It's uploading. The file has been successfully uploaded. I can now see it there. What I'll do is I'll just open a new terminal. I'm gonna unzip my dist.zip. Alright, so now as you can see, I got a dist folder inside here with all my files. Now what I can do is I can remove the old dist.zip because I don't want to commit it, and it'll be gone. And now I just commit and push my changes. Okay, so git git commit -m new web app git push. Oh, typo. Alright, so it's been pushed, it's been committed, everything is okay. So what I'm going to do now is go inside the build page and just trigger a new build. It'll take a few seconds. And what we expect is then when we get there, when it's fully deployed, to change this one by the new web application we just deployed. So we're waiting for the build to finish. Just reloaded that. Okay. It's building, it's building. Alright, so now it seems to be a success. So up, if we go back to our page there, ta-da! So now our app is hosted on quentin.davra.com/microservices/Davra web app, and that's it. So now from there on, if I want to upload a new version of it, I just have to build a new dist file, upload the dist file, unzip it, and commit, and that's it. Press deploy. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this helpful. More videos are coming up with more complex tutorials. Catch up soon. Bye.